Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you another way of making border or ribbing, and this is very easy as well. I'm going to make this border in double crochet and you can see it gives a very dense border look. Okay, let's start making it together. I'm going to show you in a small little pattern. I'm going to make few chains, 2, 3, 4, 5, 18 chains, and I'm going to make a double crochet. First double crochet, second, you have to make double crochet in each and every chain throughout the row. Now chain 2 and turn your work. Now we are going to make front post double crochet in first stitch. First front post double crochet. The stitch you can see in the first row, this all stitch is called the post. So when you work in this stitch, it's called the post stitch. And second stitch I'm going to make from the back side of this post. So this is called back post double crochet. So one stitch will be in the front post double crochet and second stitch will be back post double crochet. One front and one back. So you are going to continue all the row with this pattern, one in the front and one in the back post. You can see. So I'm going to show you the entire row here. Now it's the end of the second row. You can see the pattern now. Chain 2 and turn your work. Again you have to do the front in the front post one. Now you can see easily which one is the front post double crochet and which one is the back post double crochet, and you have to follow the same thing in each one. You have to do front in the front one and the back in the back one, and continue this pattern as many times as you want. It's up to you how many rows you want to make. If you want to make a wider border, you can make more rows. I'm going to show you after few rows how it looks like. You can see now after 4 and 5 rows, you can see the pattern of the ribs. I'm going to show you my sweater in which I use this pattern. You can see here in this sweater I use the same method for the ribbing. I hope you like it. It's very easy to make. See you soon. Bye.